At KISS, we keep things simple and earn our clients' trust by doing things better so our merchants prosper and make more money. Welcome to KISS Payments, where our mission is to do what's right for merchants every time. We love to create transparent solutions that excite and empower our clients. To be honest, we are ashamed of our industry and the deception that is so rampant, and want to show you how KISS Payments is different. Our people are trained business advisors and not just payment processing salespeople. At KISS, we keep things simple and earn our clients' trust by doing things better so our merchants prosper and make more money. By educating and empowering merchants with regular account reviews, we explain all charges and how to better your processing experience. Featuring a transparent cost-plus pricing system, not only can we save you money, but all of our charges are guaranteed not to increase as long as you are processing your credit and debit cards with us. Imagine never wanting to change processors again. Whether it is an in-store POS terminal, a virtual terminal, or a portable solution you want, every merchant receives a brand new terminal with the latest and most secure technology available, rented at a minimal cost. All our solutions allow you to accept the full gamut of customers' cards. Does your business need expansion capital, short-term cash injections, or new equipment or machinery financing? KISS Capital has put together a network of private lenders and alternative financing for businesses like yours. Within 7 business days, we can have unsecured financing to you of up to 15% of your annual revenues or choose funding based on your assets, even if you have equipment up to 25 years old and low credit scores. If your business needs money, give us a call. Interested in increasing sales while building customer loyalty? KISS Cards has several loyalty options available. Whether you want a gift card program that integrates with your POS system or an all-in-one customized mobile solution, KISS Cards can provide affordable solutions that keep your customers coming back, increasing your profitability. Have questions? Take a second to review our website, www.kisspayments.com, especially the section on Meet Our Clients. We are the only processing company that posts client testimonials because we're proud of our win-win relationships. Give us a chance to show you how we can help your business today. Get back to the KISS advisor that showed you this video for more details or call toll-free 1-888-484-3389.